In this video, I'm going to show you how I made my headlights go from this to this. This is what the headlight lenses on my 2001 325 Xi Wagon looked like when I first purchased the car. The lenses are faded, foggy, and oxidized, and they really made the car look neglected and old. I started by removing the corner marker, trim pieces, and finally the lens itself so that I could clean it up. In this shot, you can see just how old, nasty, and oxidized this lens was. For this restoration, I'm going to be using 1000, 2000, and 3000 grit sandpapers and pads. I started out by wet sanding horizontally with the 1000 grit sandpaper. This gave me a base to see how deep the pitting went. Because I didn't have anything else, I grabbed a piece of 400 grit sandpaper to knock down all of the heavy oxidation. Once I had a consistent flat finish, I went back to the 1000 grit sandpaper to smooth out the marks left from the 400 grit sandpaper. Once I had a consistent finish with the 1000 grit sandpaper, I moved up to the 2000 grit sandpaper, sanding vertically. After the 2000 grit, I moved on to the 3000 grit pad and sanded in a random orbital motion. Once I was happy with that, I got out my polishing machine and some polishing compound. I used this polishing compound on a wool pad to polish the lens. I cleaned the lens of all of the polishing compound and spread on some synthetic wax. I put on way more than I needed, but it's fine. I buffed off the wax and was very happy with the result. After that, all I had to do was install everything back onto the car. Lens, then trim, then the corner marker. After a quick wash, here's what the car looks like now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you again next time.
Tell them we coming, tell them we coming, tell them we coming, tell them we coming, tell them we